Do 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 do. Draw with Mr. Greg!
In this video, I'm going to show you how you can take simple lines and add shading to create something that looks pretty 3D. I'll also show you how you can add color and really make it look like it's coming out at you. Let's get started. Okay, for this, it's going to take a little bit of imagination. You're going to have to kind of realize that mistakes are going to happen. The first line you draw needs to be wavy. Along that line, I'm going to have you draw a couple dots, not big ones. Notice you can hardly see them. They're very small dots. Don't make your dot real big. That'll probably ruin your artwork real quick. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots across. You could do more than 5 if you want, but I wouldn't crowd it too much. After you do that, you're going to draw some lines that kind of curve from one dot to the other above that first curving line you did. You're going to turn your paper around and do it again. This time going the opposite direction. Now every time you draw a curving line, it's going to always come back to that dot. Okay? So that dot is a very important part of your artwork, or those dots are very important parts of your drawing. After you get your artwork all finished with marker or pen, you can go back in and add some crayon. It'll look a lot better with color. Now this all looks pretty 3D, but another trick that you can do after you color it for a while is add some shading. You can see I have a dark green here, and if I put it in the corners of the green color, it'll make it look like that green is bending. So if I just bring it up a little bit on the edge, it'll kind of create the illusion that the green is bending. And then I could do the same thing with my orange there. I could do it with any color as long as you have the darker version of one color and the lighter version of that same color. You can make it look more 3D. See how it kind of creates the illusion of bend. Try this out. Give it a shot. You don't have to use the same colors I did. There's lots of different colors out there. Again, start with your simple line. After you do that line, put the 5 dots on. After you do the 5 dots, it's all about arcing above and below the line and filling up the whole page. I'm going to continue with this, adding color, and you guys go ahead and get started on yours. I hope you enjoy.